Decorative corbels have been a staple in home design for more than a century. And here at Federal Brace, we have a brand new line called the Click that is hopefully going to catch your eye and maybe even your ear. Here at Federal Brace, we've had two options to install your corbels for years. The first one would be a corbel mount system. The second one would be our corbel rib mount. Now, the good thing about the rib mount is it will get you 375 pounds of carry capacity for that countertop overhang. And this is actually the part we're using with our brand new Click Corbels. Traditionally, with our corbel rib mounts, what you would have is you would have your corbel, you would put it into position, and you would drill down through your rib mount into the corbel with a fastener. Now, the problem with that is if there's already a countertop in place, you cannot access these holes, so it has to be pre-planned. The good thing about the Click Corbel is that you can put it in position, snap it into place, whether or not there's a counter in the way or not. Painting and staining is easier than ever with the Click Corbel. When you're ready to stain it, simply remove the corbel, do the paint, do the stain, let it set, and then put it back. Thank you so much for watching. For more product information and Made in the USA innovation, visit us at federalbrace.com, where you can find the Click Corbel for your next project.